Prepare yourself for a spectacular journey, leaving behind the Inca capital of Cusco and setting out across the high Andes, following ancient roads and seeing history come alive. You descend into the lush green valleys of the cloud forest, famed for its stunning wildlife. With numerous plant and animal species in the region, including 13 varieties of hummingbird. As you switch from road to river, you embark upon the last leg of your journey, following the Rio Madre de Dios, a tributary of the mighty Amazon. Arriving at your home for the next few weeks, you'll become part of a team advancing and supporting the conservation of this magical place.